Hello, friends. Good morning. We are well rested after a busy day the day before. We needed that rest. As you saw last night, we were not able to edit our YouTube video because we stayed out too late with friends. So that means there will be a double upload coming up, or it's already happened. But in order to make that happen, today we are editing 2 YouTube videos, which cuts into the plans for what we originally wanted to do. But we're lucky that we already had today off. We thought that the catered event was actually going to be today. So when we made our schedule for work, we didn't schedule for work today. And because of that, we have a free day to edit those videos. I'm not sure if we're gonna do anything else today. It depends on how fast those videos get edited and what time of day it is once they're done. But we are gonna try and step outside and do something so that it's not just this. This is the whole video telling you I'm editing a video. We don't want that to happen. So yeah, we're gonna edit these videos. We're almost editing. So we're gonna edit these videos. We're almost finished editing day 10. Then we will edit day 11 and do something. We're gonna do something today. Even if it's in the evening, we don't like going out at night, but even if it's in the evening, because we don't have to work today, we might as well do something with the day that is productive. So stay tuned to find out what it is we actually do. See you soon. Hello again, y'all. We know today wasn't particularly exciting, but after the busy weekend that we had, we kind of needed a day to rest and decompress anyway. And if we had tried to go out and do something, we probably would not have gotten the double upload done. You don't want to know how late at night it is. So, yeah, it wasn't too exciting, but still, we hope that you enjoyed the food video, the cooking tutorial about what we're eating this week, and maybe have some inspiration for some healthier eating and cooking that you can do at home yourself. Maybe you can adapt the recipe, add in ingredients that you like, switch it up, use different veggies, different protein, as long as you're inspired to cook at home. I feel like people should cook more at home. Eating out is nice, but cooking at home, it's great. So, yeah, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for sticking around through the exciting videos and through the just regular, everyday videos. We hope to see you in tomorrow's vlog as well. And we hope, I don't know if you can hear, but the washing machine is going. That's why we didn't do a voiceover for day 10 or day 11, because we were doing laundry. But yes, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow for the next one. And hopefully you eat well and travel often. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day or a good night wherever you are. See you.